The taco trade is a real thing, and not to get political or anything, but ever since Trump has been in office, I've had to change my trading strategy in order to keep my success. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean by that. I'm going to show you what's been working for me, what's been keeping me profitable. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. Quick break. If you trade options, this one's for you. Moomoo now gives you real-time gamma exposure data free, no extra subscription. So you can see where heavy positioning is before you decide on a strike. I personally use it pretty much every day I trade. It is a game changer. Links in the description. Right now they're giving new users up to $1,000 in NVIDIA, plus an 8.1 APY on all uninvested cash for the first 2 months. Back to the video. If you don't know what the taco trade is, it stands for, once again, not getting political, Trump always chickens out. Our president will do something like close the Strait of Hormuz, slap taxes or tariffs on something that are absolutely absorbently high, seemingly as a negotiation tactic, and then he'll walk it back. And where the trade is with this, so pretty much every time our president says something really bad, something that sounds bad for the economy, that sends stocks down, if you look back at the charts, pretty much anytime he's done that, it's been a great time to buy calls, buy stock, buy stuff for the upside. And because of that, people say Trump always chickens out, and that is an acronym that spells out taco. So now with that being said, let me show you what I've been doing. All right, so here we are in the Moomoo app. And real quick, before we hop in the charts, just want to say, normally I like to swing trade. I'm a swing trader by nature, but with all the crazy swings that we have in the pre-market, post-market, and just day to day, swing trades aren't working the same for me right now. It's pretty much been like this all year. So I've had to shift to being more of a day trader, which normally I didn't enjoy, but because we're getting such great movement, it's been really nice. All right, so just keeping that in mind, let's get to it. Let's just look at the SPY for this example. So I'm going to click on the SPY and we're going to look at the chart. So right here in the middle of the screen, we got the charts, and I am going to show y'all what I've been doing. All right, so I'm going to turn off all the extra stuff. So I'm going to turn off the indicators, got the EMAs on, and we're just going to focus on the candles that are kind of going right now. All right, so this isn't the only way I trade, but this is something that has been incredibly helpful. All right, so on top of support, resistance, things such as that, there are these candles called Heikin Ashi. They're Japanese candles and they track momentum. They don't look the exact same as regular candles. So right now, you can see on the screen, these candles down here, let me make it bigger. These are Heikin Ashi candles. All right, I want you to take a look. You can see in the top left, it says Heikin Ashi. And yeah, now if I want to change the candles, let's see. Here, I'm going to back out. Now, if I want to change the candle type, right next to these little squares, I can click right here. If I want to go to a regular candle, look at how the candles look now. This is how regular candles look. Notice you got like over here, you can see there's a green here, there's a red, some reds, some greens, whatever. And you can also see there they move kind of a little bit more. If we go to Heikin Ashi, over here we had some green candles, but you can see this whole move right here, this is all red. All right. So the way these Heikin Ashi candles work are they actually track momentum. So ideally, like what this is going to turn to is a quick lesson on the Heikin Ashi. So if we look, once again, these are Heikin Ashis are momentum indicators. You can see when you have good momentum, when you have a good push, these things are running. Like if we look at price was, this is a 1 minute chart, just for the record. But price was down here at 741.60. And these candles stayed green all the way up to 742.70. Now, if you're day trading, if you have a 0 DTE, anything like that, any nature where you're get in, get out, that is the most easy, obvious trades. All right. So the way these Heikin Ashis works is while you still got these candles going, while these candles are still green, you want to ride the trade. So you enter on this candle right here, you ride. All right. Notice we kind of slow down and stop here. We come up to about 742.90, and then right here we get a red candle. All right, so by this point we be out. This is about 742.60, but you still made that trade all the way from 741.60 to 742.60, and that's easy money if you're day trading, doing 0 DTEs or anything like that. And oftentimes with these, if you're in a trade, this is really easy to follow because, all right, if you start trading sideways, time to get out, or hey, time to look for maybe an entry if you see it trading sideways. And then once you get that momentum, you just ride until it either slows down and starts trading sideways, or you get another reversal. So looking at it the other way, after it kind of consolidated and swapped directions, we came back down. And then we didn't get another green candle till about 741.50. So by that point, hey, if I'm going and riding the other way, let me get out. And then if you zoom out and look, you can see you had all this opportunity. And if you look earlier in the day, I actually took advantage of this one earlier today, made some money. You had this move from 738 all the way up to almost 742. And it's just right there, ready to grab money. Today, I didn't even take this full move. I rode it up to, I think, about 740.50, and I was like, I'm good. But it still had more to go. Just kind of wanted to show you that, family. That is one of the ways I'm kind of getting by, one of the things I'm kind of watching. When it comes to taking day trades, I do, of course, have higher quality setups and things that I look for. But sometimes I just hop in trades and it really adds up and I get paid. And that's all I'm doing is just looking at the Heikin Ashis, maybe throwing EMA on there, and no need to overcomplicate things. One thing I do want to say is I'm not throwing a lot of money in these trades. So it really is like a little bit becoming a lot. The higher my certainty for a trade, the more money I'll throw into it. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to trade live with me for free, I am live at Market Open every Friday on this channel. Be sure to hit the bell notification icon, set it all so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.